Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed higher on Wednesday, led by shares in healthcare equipment and services, transportation, as well as energy sectors. On the economic front, MBA mortgage applications increased by 2.3% in the week ended March 8th from a decline of 2.5%. PPI final demand improving by 0.1%. Durable goods orders rising 0.4%. Construction spending advancing by 1.3%, all while 81% of S&P 500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Johnson & Johnson ordered by the state court in Oakland, California to pay roughly $29 million to a woman who accused the company's asbestos-tainted talc of causing her cancer. Meanwhile, turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.02%, the Hang Seng up 0.15%, China CSI 300 down 0.69%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.34%. European markets, they continue to gain ground, and U.S. futures calling for a flat to negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Dollar General, Ulta Beauty, Broadcom, Oracle, and Adobe, they're all scheduled to release their figures today. While on the economic dock at 8:30 in the morning, we have the February export prices and import prices read, initial and continuing jobless claims numbers, and January new home sales figures. Meanwhile, in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees further advance. The Nasdaq sees its target at 73.80. That's in focus. The relative strength index calls for a new up leg, while the index is supported by its ascending 50-period moving average on a 30-minute chart. Long positions above 72.75 are favored, with targets at 73.30 and 73.80 in extension, while the Dow Jones, that sees further upside.